Hey guys, this is Anand Kothari from Tech Iconic, and today we have something to unbox over here from MOVO Photo, and they sell audio equipments and video gears, I believe. And they sent me this parcel to give a fair review. So, here we are. Let's do this. What we have is this. So we have the MOVO VXR10 GY. Let's see how it is. Let me show you what's there in the box. We have a happy, not happy feedback card. Useless. We have a manual, which I'm gonna go through real soon. And the furry windshield, which is, damn, it's so smooth. It bounces as well. Okay, gone. Then we have the microphone, and it has the 3.5mm audio jacket. We have the shock mount with the horseshoe mount at the bottom. It's pretty neat. It looks not as good, but it's actually a good quality. I'm just afraid I'll break this plastic one day. Then we have the 3.5mm TRS audio output cable. We have the 3.5mm TRRS audio output cable, which could be used for connecting it to smartphone or tablet. Alright, so that's all we have in this box. For now, I actually want to connect this microphone to my cell phone from which I'm shooting this video. It's an iPhone 7 Plus. Let's see, or let's hear how it sounds. Damn, it's a real-time effort to connect this to the microphone. Okay, alright, so here we have it. I've connected the microphone for now, and if you cannot hear the difference right now, just let me know in the comments down below, because I heard myself after shooting this video and it sounds pretty good actually. And just be honest over there, $40 for a microphone with a windscreen, a TRRS cable included. It's a pretty good deal, and such sound quality, pretty good. So if you're a beginner, if you are a YouTube creator, I would totally suggest this microphone because it's cheap. This is something you can start with, honestly. And I hope this video helped you a little bit at least. So last but not the least, this is the shout out for the best commenters on my videos. So first one is from Amanda, and she commented on my video on how to make $100 a day. She said, great information in the video, love your content and can't wait to see more. Keep up the good work. Thank you so much, Amanda. I really appreciate your time, and keep watching. The second is from Kothari, again on the same video. He said, $100 a day keeps jobs away. That's really true. Thank you so much for watching again. The third comment is from Monisha Parik on my video on how to start your own YouTube channel, and she said, this is so helpful. I'm actually starting a YouTube channel and these tips are really helpful for me. Thank you so much, Monisha, for watching my video, and I really hope that your YouTube channel goes well. Keep watching, stay subscribed to hear more about this. So if you guys want your name in my next videos, do not forget to hit the comment below about what you learned, was the video good enough, or anything like that, anything you like. Alright, so if you like this video, do not forget to hit the subscription button, because your subscription will help me make more videos like these, and I have many unboxing videos more coming up. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, have a good one, bye bye.